my friends, this is Hot Pot Bob here with another video. Today we'll be checking out my favorite dessert place in all of the United States. Yeah, you heard me right, in all of the United States. This place is called Meat Fresh. Meat Fresh is a Taiwanese chain that whips up a variety of different ingredients to produce the most unique, delicious, and fresh desserts you're gonna find anywhere. From taro to grass jelly to red beans to boba tofu pudding, you are surely going to be in for an adventure when you check this place out. Now before we get started, if you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel right now so I can continue posting more food videos for you in the near future. Let's go! Okay, here we are once again at the northwest corner of Chandler Boulevard and Dobson Road in the same plaza anchored by the 99 Ranch Market. Meat Fresh is just one of the many variety of Asian food establishments in this plaza. So the good news about Meat Fresh is there are over 30 locations throughout the United States. The bad news is that they only have over 30 locations throughout the United States and may not be in your local area. That's okay. Just Google the nearby location and make a road trip to check it out. Just to let you know, Meat Fresh was created in 2007 by a sister and brother duo in Taiwan. They utilize traditional Taiwanese methods in their cooking with a selection of only the finest ingredients and the absence of any unnecessary preservatives. And now you know the rest of the story. We ordered the mango berry milk shaved ice and also the chocolate egg waffle. Let's go check it out. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you the third item we ordered. It will blow your mind. Alright, congratulations! You made it to the very end for the big reveal! What is this third dessert dish? It's called Pudding and Q Mochi Milk Shaved Ice. What's inside it? Almond pudding, caramel pudding, mini Q, Q Mochi, melon jelly, ice cream. The Pudding and Q Mochi Milk Shaved Ice is the shaved ice dessert for you if you are craving a variety of toppings. The toppings include both almond and caramel pudding, mini Q, which is the miniature version of our signature taro balls, smooth and Q mochi, sweet and chewy melon jelly, and a scoop of creamy ice cream. How'd you like that for an adventure? I hope you all enjoyed watching this video on Meat Fresh. If you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so I can continue posting more food videos. Smash the like button and hit the bell for notifications. See you all very soon. Bye!